Hey, good afternoon. Just wanted to shoot a quick video here. I've shopped around many places, Amazon, King's Cage, eBay, looking for a large bird stand so that I can enjoy having my birds out throughout the house. I've got an African gray and a umbrella cockatoo that they need to have that a little bit of freedom. But I've been looking around. These stands are expensive. I mean, super expensive, and for good reason, according to everything that I've been told and read about. But here's the thing: the only part that needs to be treated is the part that the bird interacts with. The other almost 4 feet of space below does not have to be treated. There's no need in it. Bird's not going to chew on that or interact with it. So what do you need it for? So, like I said, cheapest bird stand that I could find that was Java wood or manzanita, which is just all exotic wood that's been soaked and treated for bacterias and so on and so forth. Cheapest one I've found is $300. All right. So what I did is the part that the bird interacts with is these right here. Right? This is the same stuff as this is the same wood, right? Java wood. Same stuff that you spend $300+ for. I spent $25 a piece for these 3 pieces right here, so that's $75, right? All right. So track with me. $75 for that. This piece of plywood right here, you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot or any lumber hardware store. 2 foot by 4 foot section. I paid $11 for this. All right. So you got $11. Actually, I'm sorry. This piece, I think I paid $18 for. This 4x4 section, which is, I went ahead and instead of going with a pressure treated, because I am conscientious about my birds being able to actually get down and chew on this, so I didn't want to get something with a bunch of chemicals in it, so I went with an untreated fur. Now y'all tell me if fur is super deadly for my birds, and I'll be glad to go find something else. But until then, that's what I've got. And my African gray's been chewing on a 2x4 for the last year. Hasn't killed her yet, so I doubt very seriously this is going to kill her. So 11, 18, and these are 4 foot long pieces of 1x2 boards. Got to get 3 of them in order to make that little frame. Cost you $2 and some odd cents a piece. Alright, now in order to screw these onto this, here's what I've got. Here's the solution. Alright, let's put this in the other hand here. So this, what this does is you drill a hole into the side right here, or in the top, or for me, I'm going to put one on each side and one going up the top. And just so you can see what that is. Alright, that is a wood insert, brass, 5/16, and it's a 18 thread. Alright, you get that, and that right there will thread into this. Alright, that's how you mount that. And same thing with this. Now, I'm sorry, let me back up a little bit. I did have to do one thing because I could not find this exact piece that would screw into this, which came with the purchase. So I had to actually break down and purchase a set of hanger bolts, 5/16, 18 thread, 2-inch, and we'll take those out, put these in, and what I'll do with these is I'm going to drill a hole in the bottom of this and drill a hole through here, or actually this right here is the top. So I'll drill a hole through the center here and have those come out the other side. Bam. Now you just mounted your 4x4 post. You just mounted all this and what we got here. So you got 25, 25, 25, that's 75, 86, 88, 90, 92, and 92 plus 18 is 110. And this, if you had to buy this, probably cost you another $5 for this right here. I took a furniture cart apart in order to get this. So if you want to do that, it'll cost you $15 fully assembled. All you have to do is just take the cross member off, and this is going to screw to the bottom long ways right here and right here. But if you don't want to do this, these will cost you about $2.50 a piece. So what is that? 5 and 5 is 10. So what I come up with 110, 120. We'll call it $125. $125, and I'll show you the end result here later on. But for $125, you just made you a perfect stand that you would normally pay a minimal of $300 for. Alright? Like I say, I'll show you the end result here. Hopefully later on in this video. Alright? Y'all take care. Have a happy new year. God bless.